Hello, and welcome to this new video. In this episode, we will learn English in a simple and step-by-step way for beginners. We will learn important daily topics, sentences, and expressions in English that are easy for beginners, intermediate learners, and advanced learners. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. In this video, you will learn English through listening. Listen and learn to improve your understanding and listening skills. Let's begin with today's topic.
The importance of sports in daily life. Sports play an important role in our daily life. They are not only a way to have fun, but also a key to keeping our body healthy and our mind strong. People of all ages can practice sports, whether they are children, teenagers, adults, or elderly people. First, sports help us stay physically healthy. When we exercise regularly, our heart becomes stronger, our muscles grow, and our bones become healthier. Sports also improve blood circulation and increase energy levels. In addition, exercising helps control weight and prevents many health problems such as obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. People who practice sports often feel more active and productive during the day. Second, sports are very useful for mental health. Physical activity helps reduce stress, anxiety, and sadness. When we do sports, our body produces natural chemicals that make us feel happier and more relaxed. Sports also help us forget daily problems for a while and focus on the moment. As a result, people who exercise usually have better emotional balance and stronger mental health.
Third, sports build discipline and responsibility. When a person practices sports regularly, they learn how to organize their time and be committed to training. Sports also teach patience and perseverance. People understand that success does not come quickly, and they must work hard to improve their performance. Fourth, sports improve social skills. Team sports help us communicate with others and work together to achieve goals. They teach us respect, cooperation, and fair play. Through sports, many people make new friends and build strong relationships. Fifth, sports increase confidence and concentration. When a person becomes stronger and healthier, they feel better about themselves. This increases self-confidence. Regular exercise also improves memory and focus, which helps students in their studies and workers in their jobs. Finally, sports make life more enjoyable. They add excitement and fun to daily routine. Playing sports or going for a walk, a run, or a game after a long day helps us relax and refresh our mind. In conclusion, sports are an essential part of a healthy life. They improve physical health, mental well-being, and social life. Everyone should try to include sports in their daily routine to live a stronger, happier, and more balanced life.